Michael, let's talk about the new Calibrate. What can we expect from the new magazine? What can we expect, and what's your goal here?
Well, one of the many conversations that I've had with Seth Clevenger about the rebranding of the former equipment and maintenance update, it's sort of a modernization in the sense that as we call it EMU, it's been around for a long time, and just giving it a nice rebranding kind of breathes new life into it in the sense of it being the equipment and maintenance update, and having that change to calibrate. The way we want to explore the topic of equipment and maintenance, we want to talk about the trends that are going on in equipment, just when it comes to the intricacies of the truck engine and truck equipment, and we want to talk about those trends, and we want to talk about the latest and greatest, of course, and really monitoring that bell curve when it comes to innovation of equipment. But we also want to talk about the well-being of the equipment, and that's where we get to the maintenance side of things. And it's just how to keep that particular piece of equipment running effectively. And then that third word of EMU being update, and that's where really Calibrate comes in, because as you know all too well, Dan, change is a constant thing. So we definitely want to capture that in the equipment and maintenance space, and just how the industry is catching up to all this innovation. And that's where we get the word calibrate. And it just all encompasses that the whole theme of EMU, and it keeps it going, it keeps it forward moving. But we really wanted to usher this into a new age. And I think that's the real thing that's going on overall with the new calibrate.